Hey, what's up, Restoration Nation? Here's something that happened today that I think we can all learn from. I'll skip to the punchline. You probably shouldn't be 100% upfront when you turn in an insurance claim. Let me explain. I got a panic call from a former client who knew somebody who had a roof leak. They got a new roof put on last year. They had a very recent storm, came through, and it leaked, right? They had some water damage inside their house. Come to find out, that roof is missing some flashing. It was installed incorrectly. What this person did was they told the whole story, including a new roof last year. They just had it inspected by another roofer, and the roofer said, hey, it's missing flashing here and here and here. That's where the water got in. So they told their insurance company that whole story. What did the insurance company do? Denied the claim. Why did they deny the claim? Because in their minds, according to the story that they were told, the insurance company believes this is a construction defect claim. You don't have coverage generally under a homeowner's policy for construction defect. Okay, fair enough. Let's back up. Let's try to do this how I would propose to do it. You have an insurance policy that covers water damage, right? Water damage is a covered peril. So when you have water come into your house from the roof, and it damages stuff like drywall and paint and carpet and flooring, that's your claim. When you call, say, hey, I got water damage coming in. Where did it come in from? The adjuster's going to ask, and you say, I think it came from the roof. I'm not sure. And then you shut up. You don't say anything more, because telling them that it came from a malfunctioning, improperly installed roof gives them the out to say, okay, well, that construction defect now becomes the cause of loss. Well, that's wrong. The cause of loss is water. How it got in is secondary or tertiary to the claim. You have things, water got into your house and damaged stuff. That's your claim. Let everything else play out. You don't need to tell the insurance company that the roof might have been installed incorrectly. You're only adding, that information doesn't help you. It only helps your insurance company deny the claim. I'm not saying you lie. You're not telling you're not being dishonest about it. You're just not giving them the ammunition to deny your claim. Now, from my perspective as a licensed public adjuster, I think this is a wrongful denial because they have coverage for water damage. The insurance company should cover to repair whatever was damaged by the water, no matter where it came from. All right. They weren't filing a claim for a new roof, right? That would be different, right? That would be a legitimate denial. You're not owed a new roof because your roof was installed incorrectly, but you are owed coverage for damage caused by water, no matter the source. All right. Take that, read your policy, make sure that it doesn't have any exclusions or things like that. But in general, the less you say, the better when you're filing an insurance claim. Don't be talkative. I'm sorry, it sounds terrible and it sounds bad coming out of my mouth. I can hear that, but this is the reality. Every piece of information you give your insurance adjuster when you call and file that claim will and can be used against you in your claim. So don't volunteer in it. Stick to the facts. Water got in, it damaged my stuff. I'm going to go get a contractor in here to clean this up and fix it. He's going to give me a price. That price becomes your claim amount, period, end of story. So I hope y'all learned something. We'll catch you on the next one.